Greengrocer. A greengrocer is someone who sells fresh fruits and vegetables. They run a shop or a market stall where people can buy healthy produce. The job of a greengrocer is important because fruits and vegetables are essential for a balanced diet. Many people visit greengrocers to buy fresh food for their families. Greengrocers start their day very early. They go to markets or suppliers to buy fresh produce. It is important for a greengrocer to choose the best quality fruits and vegetables. They look for items that are ripe, fresh, and free from damage. Once they have bought the produce, they bring it back to their shop or stall and get ready to open for customers. In the shop, the greengrocer carefully arranges the fruits and vegetables. They make sure everything looks neat and attractive. Customers are more likely to buy from a greengrocer if the produce is displayed in a nice way. Greengrocers also label the prices of each item clearly so customers can see how much everything costs. The greengrocer's job is not just about selling food. They need to know a lot about fruits and vegetables. Customers often ask for advice on how to choose the best items or how to prepare them. For example, someone might ask which fruit is best for making juice or how to store vegetables to keep them fresh. A good greengrocer can answer these questions and help customers make the right choice. Greengrocers need to keep their produce fresh throughout the day. They often spray water on the vegetables to keep them from drying out. They also check the fruits and vegetables regularly and remove anything that is spoiled. Keeping the produce fresh is important because customers want to buy items that look and taste good. Some greengrocers run small shops, while others have bigger businesses. In a small shop, the greengrocer may do everything by themselves from buying the produce to selling it. In a larger business, there might be employees to help with the work. Greengrocers need to be organized and manage their time well, especially when the shop gets busy. Greengrocers also have to manage their stock. This means making sure they always have enough fruits and vegetables to sell, but not too much that it goes to waste. It's a careful balance. If the greengrocer buys too much, some of the produce may spoil before it can be sold. If they buy too little, they might run out of items and lose customers. A successful greengrocer knows how to plan ahead and order just the right amount. One of the busiest times for a greengrocer is the weekend. Many people do their shopping on Saturdays and Sundays, so the shop can be full of customers. Greengrocers often have to work quickly to serve everyone. They might also prepare special offers or discounts to attract more customers. During holidays like Christmas or Easter, the demand for fresh produce can be even higher, so greengrocers need to be ready for these busy periods. Greengrocers also need to be good at customer service. They greet their customers with a smile and try to create a friendly atmosphere in the shop. Building good relationships with customers is important because it makes people want to come back. Some greengrocers have regular customers who visit their shop every week. These customers trust the greengrocer to provide fresh, quality produce at a fair price. Running a greengrocer business also involves handling money and keeping track of sales. Greengrocers need to be good at basic math to give the correct change and keep accurate records of what they sell. Some shops use cash registers or electronic payment systems to make this easier, but in small markets, greengrocers often handle the money by hand. Another important part of the job is cleanliness. Greengrocers must keep their shop clean and hygienic. This is important because fruits and vegetables need to be safe to eat. Greengrocers clean their counters, baskets, and tools every day. They also make sure that any spoiled produce is thrown away quickly to avoid bad smells or attracting insects. Some greengrocers offer more than just fruits and vegetables. They might sell herbs, spices, or other fresh products like eggs, honey, or homemade jams. This gives customers more choices and can help the business grow. Some greengrocers also work with local farmers to offer special products that are grown nearby. Being a greengrocer can be a physically demanding job. Greengrocers spend many hours on their feet, lifting boxes of fruits and vegetables and moving things around the shop. They often work long hours, especially during busy times. But despite the hard work, many greengrocers enjoy their job because they get to meet new people and help customers eat healthy food. Greengrocers also play an important role in the community. They often know their customers personally and provide a service that helps families eat fresh and nutritious food. In many neighborhoods, the local greengrocer is a familiar and friendly face that people trust. However, the job of a greengrocer can have its challenges. For example, if the weather is bad, it can affect the supply of fruits and vegetables. A drought or heavy rain can make it harder for farmers to grow crops, which means the greengrocer might have less produce to sell. Prices can also go up if there is a shortage of certain items. Greengrocers need to adapt to these changes and find ways to keep their customers happy. In conclusion, the job of a greengrocer is both important and rewarding. Greengrocers provide fresh, healthy food to their communities. They work hard to keep their shops stocked with the best quality fruits and vegetables. A successful greengrocer is friendly, knowledgeable, and organized. They help people make healthy choices and play an essential role in ensuring families have access to fresh produce. Despite the challenges, many greengrocers take pride in their work and enjoy being a part of the daily lives of their customers.